ad revenue is not how you make money online. Actually, you can make money online with ad revenue, but when people start like a YouTube channel, they think to themselves, ad revenue is going to be like my source of income, and that's how I'm going to be make it. No, it's not. Ad revenue only counts for about 30% of what YouTubers make, like the creators and stuff. The rest of what they make comes in many different ways. So what you need to do is stop focusing on getting to that 1,000 subscribers. Now, let me be clear. I'm not telling you that you shouldn't get to 1,000 subscribers. You absolutely should. But your goal shouldn't just be to, how can I trick people into subscribing to this channel so that I can get to the monetization part where whenever they watch a video, I get a fraction of a cent for it or a fraction of a dollar for it. There are many ways that you can make money with your YouTube channel or online before you ever get that ad revenue. The first way that I did it was I started getting attention on my YouTube channel for product reviews. Product reviews they can be stuff that you do where it's like you decide to go on like Amazon affiliates if you want and pick out your own products and review them. Or you could get attention like I did with your YouTube channel, just being as good as you can be and getting people to start noticing you. And then they'll send you products to review for free. That's the route I went because I didn't really want to spend a bunch of money. I didn't really have a bunch of money in the first place to go spend on extra stuff like that. So I got those product reviews. Well, the product's free, first of all. And if you use that kind of product, well, that's like money in the pocket right there. Second, they give you commission links when you do this. The commissions can vary. I've tried to like barter with these people and be like, how about 20%? I like helping out my people, but they have what they have. Usually they won't usually barter. I'm sure if I sold like a ton for them, they'd probably be like, okay, well, if you can sell even more, we'll give you even better commission. But, so you want to get that affiliate commission thing going in some way, form, or fashion. Like on this channel, I have VidIQ that I use for like SEO to help, and I do this with another channel too, to help figure out the best way to get my videos seen. And I have an affiliate link for VidIQ, which you can check in the link below. And that VidIQ link was easy to get. It was free. I didn't have any kind of special program. I just had to sign up for it. That was it. And there's many programs out there. Then there's ones like Amazon where you kind of have like a testing period. You have to make a certain amount of money. So if you didn't really put a lot of effort into it because you were working on something else, it can end up, the Amazon one could be a problem. But I have had success outside of Amazon. So it is possible you can do it. It's just, it takes making sure that you have a professional product and making sure, by product, I mean your social media content, and making sure that you are doing a good job promoting their products, which usually means that you believe in that product and it's not just something you're trying to sell, because people can tell when you're just selling. So the second thing that I did was I noticed that people were on this niche. They had a t-shirt store. All of them. They all in this niche. They had the t-shirt store. And so I decided to make my own t-shirt store, but instead of doing what they did, they all just put their logos on t-shirts. I didn't think anybody gave a crap about my logo. I really didn't think they cared. So what I did was I decided to make t-shirt designs for that particular niche to sell on my store. And that's what I did. And I did that I'm still doing that now, but the point is I did that after actually I got monetized on YouTube. But the monetization ad revenue still wasn't the bulk of what I was getting. After I was getting all this attention on my niche, then I got invited to be in this program, which I can't really talk about too much, that is like doing its best to promote products in the niche that I'm in. And so I got to be in that thing. And the ad revenue is good, but it's not as much as all this other stuff added together. So what you got to make sure you do whenever you're trying to make money online, get out of this mindset of I'm going to do a YouTube channel and the ad revenue is going to be what makes me the money. It will make you money and it will be good and it will be fun, but it should not be the main source that you have of income. That should not be what that is. What you need to do is focus on having good attention on your channel. So you're doing professional quality work, whether that be a hobby or it be your business or whatever it is. Just make sure that you're an authority in that niche, and the attention will start coming on you, and you'll be able to have these opportunities come up to you where you can start doing affiliate commissioning. I can't even talk. Affiliate marketing with commission links and things like that. And then you can even do your own products in stores. Maybe you have a book, or you have t-shirts that you do, or, you know, mugs or something. There's all sorts of like drop shipping companies out there now. I use like Teespring for the t-shirt designs I make, so I don't have to fool with making them myself. I just do the design, and then they'll take care of all that stuff on the outside. And all these different ways of making money combined is what you should be focusing on, not just looking at ad revenue to be what starts your life, because it's not gonna. There are absolutely YouTube channels out there that's ad revenue alone is more than you make in a year, but they did a lot of stuff to get to that point. They didn't start living off of ad revenue and build up and build up. The ad revenue was just a benefit of all the other things that they were doing to make a good product out there for people to watch and have their eyes on. And so the best, sorry, I got distracted. There's a dog walking outside, and everybody gets distracted by dogs, right? He's a big dog. The best thing that you could do is make sure that your goal isn't just to get to that 1,000 subscribers, just to get that ad revenue. You really want to make sure that you're building like a business where you have all sorts of different types of things combining together, because even these guys that do these faceless YouTube channels, automated YouTube channels, all these guys, they all have their own affiliate marketing, and they all have their own sponsorships and all that stuff. And that is part of the business, is making sure that you are utilizing every tool you can to get yourself as far as you can. Okay, I've rambled on long enough. I got more to tell you right here, though, if you want to keep listening.